Hi.
Hey guys,
Hi guys.
today I am going to show you my latest drawings. Now,
Kuya.
this is just my baby brother.
Hi.
Now,
Kuya.
bakit?
Hi.
Now,
Look.
okay. Now, if I show you my latest drawings, please do not give bad comments. I just used oil pastels, okay?
Hey.
Plus, I used colored pencils. I just covered it with oil pastels, so I hope you enjoy my drawings. Okay, first drawing I made, Dan celebration for 1 million subscribers.
Oh man. Where's he going? Oh man. Hey. Where?
Here is my first drawing. I know Dan face is a bit black. It's because I use oil pastel. I guess oil pastels aren't that good. So I guess you like it. Plus look, there's a grim. And as you see, diamonds. Yeah, diamonds.
Kaya game.
Blue glitter.
Okay.
And then now, this is my latest drawing for you guys. Especially for BRR games. I hope you enjoy.
Claptal.
Wait. There. Now, here BRR games. Here. I hope you like it. Yeah. And then, if you know my life as a teenage robot, XJ9 or Jenny. So, wait, I'm not yet done with my other one, so I hope you can wait. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, okay? Bye. See you guys later. Make sure to like and share and subscribe. Bye.